Welcome to the main event, Collision Dent Content. We're looking at electric vehicle. Electric cars and trucks are really popular nowadays. It doesn't matter how the vehicle is powered, they all get dents. Today's PDR training, I'm going over the six-figure annual income earning potential and how to get a large dent from looking like this to this. Hello and welcome. I am your host, the man of aluminum and steel. Tools of the trade for this training session. I will be using collision glue, PDR dent tabs, a hammer, a PDR light, a ratchet strap, and a hydraulic puller, PDR rods, a battery-operated polisher. Starting things off with my puller, I'm adjusting the height of the chain, pushed in the pin, putting the dent puller on lockdown. Looking at the whiteboard, this dent is extremely complex and difficult. In order for me to get this dent out, I will need to open it up by using a lateral tension pull. I will need to pull the panel back to its original shape. Since the vehicle is hit in the rear, I will need to reverse the damage going backwards toward the bumper. So I'm going to place a lateral tab right here on the body line inside the dent and begin pulling. Let's go take a look. I'm cleaning the dent with 91% alcohol. Now spraying the pulling tabs. Squeezing lots of glue on the lateral pulling tab, placing it in the center of the dent on the body line. Gluing a tab underneath the lateral tab. Placing my next tab just above the lateral tab. Attaching the chains to the tabs. Placed a safety blanket over the pulling chain. Let's get this hydraulic machine pulling. Foot down, full throttle on the pedal. The machine is pulling out the dent nicely. Now it's time for round 2 of the glue pulling. Placing my next set of thick tabs in the 2 creases just under the brake light, using a ratchet strap connected to my hydraulic puller. Ratcheting the ratchet strap, increasing the tension, and you can see both dents coming out nicely. Switch to the hammer, hitting the crown around the dent. Now it's time for round 3 of the glue pulling. Placing a large lateral tab. Squeeze glue on 2 additional crease tabs and place them in the dent. Ratcheting my ratchet strap, increasing tension on the tab. Switch to the slide hammer. A few hits from the slide, pulling out the deeper section of the dent. We are halfway through the repair. Placed 4 additional yellow thin crease tabs in the dent. Again, using my slide hammer. Are you a body repairman or are you a PDR tech? Would you want to replace this panel or would you repair it? Post a comment down below. I'm done with the glue tabs for now, switching to the PDR bars. I push my tool through the hidden access point down below the quarter panel. I'm pushing the back side of the dent using my tool. I started on the lower section, working my way to the upper section. I'm looking for my next micro low, going bullseye, dead center, being as accurate with my tool tip, trying not to miss. Switch to the front side surface, grab my hammer and my knockdown, and I began hitting the panel. I'm taking down every high point that it can find. I'm going back and forth working the front and the back of the panel. Are you new to my channel? Post in the comments that you're a new subscriber and I will comment you back. Are you curious on tool pricing? Click the link down below. Now, let's talk about the money. Using my estimator, I'm going to show you the money. Typical charge for a repair like this, average cost, around $6,000. You do the math. If you work on 20 dents similar to this damage annually, you're looking around $120,000. Pretty good, not bad. Now there's 365 days in a year. You know that. If I work on 60, you're looking at $360,000.
What?
That's not including the little door dings and the minor dents. $6K for a repair like this, I should charge more than a collision shop. I'm not replacing, I'm not repainting. I'm performing a miracle.
Oh my God.
I'm saving the panel, I'm saving the manufacturer paint. No welding, no burning holes in the interior, no fires, no mismatched paint. This is a much higher quality dent repair. Let's get back to the dent. Jumped out of the truck, still using the hammer and knockdown in conjunction with my PDR light. I'm scanning the panel, cross-checking, looking for more high points. I went back to the PDR bars. With my tooltip, I'm fine-tuning all the remaining micro low spots inside the dent. I am removing all the high points and the remaining crowns in the panel. I lowered the tailgate, climbed into the back of the truck. I'm using my hammer and my knockdown. Switched to the back side, fine-tuning the remaining damage, lightly pushing on hundreds of low areas that look like door dings. My final step, wet sanding and polishing out the paint. It's time to cash in. Let's turn to the lights and see the final results. I want to thank all of you for watching my video. If you're interested in PDR training, or if you have any questions regarding how I do my estimates, you can post a comment down below. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.